everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 1960 Pella Court. This is an incredible property located in Sonoma Ranch in a subdivision, Mission Espada, that has no HOA fee. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office, has a split floor plan, 2-car garage, and 24 solar panels. It's an east-facing backyard, so let's go in and take a look around. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 1960 Pella Court. Again, great home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office, 1938 square feet. Has a great east-facing backyard, so you don't have the sun beating down on you in the late afternoon. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.